Today we got the 1650. Yeah, this is kind of cool because this is an awesome video card. I will explain to you because look at this. PCI slot power 16 watts, PCI slot voltage 12 volts, GPU chip power drawn 7 watts, board power drawn 21 watts. There is a high chance we got the best GPU for this task, you know. We started a couple of days ago to go for the best low TDP ever. Yes, so today we're gonna use this one, the 1650, 4 gig of VRAM, 128 bits, kind of cool. And we're gonna use this. It's the most easiest CPU you can find on the market. No, everybody can afford it, you know. So yeah, let's take a look at the settings and we'll see what we got here. So we got full screen, TDP, independent, low, medium. Oh my god, texture quality low, medium, low. Okay, everything is on low. Yes, there's nobody there. Damn, look at this. 100 FPS. This is ludicrous. Why is it 100? Oh, this is the frequency in the back of the monitor. All right. Yeah. This is so cool. The fact that it's perfectly working on 100 FPS with 60 watts. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like the experience, but I just realized I set it up like that in
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
I set it up like that in NVIDIA.
Proximity mine was destroyed by
God. Okay.
Authorizing counter spy plane ECM mission.
I just crashed my computer. Daniel, you dumbass, you have to do that before, not in the game. Is the 1650 not performing well on underclock? No, you just fucking blue screen. And every time MSI Afterburner start or restart, he keep blue screen. You will see it on DVR because I don't know. Just watch the restream. The moment I put everything down, clocks, everything, block. So I have to enter in safe mode in order for me to uninstall the program and delete the profiles from it, you know. So yeah, all right, let's take an SMG. What's this? I don't know what this, and see what's going on. All right, Daniel.
Seize the objectives.
40 watts, 50 hertz.
Hardpoint is secure.
What the frack is this, man? 50. Oh my god, the spray is real. That's it. 43 watts. I'm not gonna lie. I like it.
Hardpoint is secure.
No. I swear I thought it was somebody with me. Damn. Oh, the blade was real. No! Damn.
Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is secure. Enemy spy plane inbound. GC is running down.
Yes, boy.
We've lost the hard point.
I had the cluster mine there. That's the only thing I was doing here. Just camping here. No. Full screen, window mode. That's it. Yes, then more cores at lower clocks are always gonna perform better on power consumption than less cores at high. Yes, you're right. All right. So. Right, I put in window mode. That is 50 hertz. Yeah, 50 hertz, you know. All right, Fortnite. 30 watts. Okay. Okay. Listen. This is the best GPU in Fortnite. By far. No, 27. Listen, no, I changed my mind. I'm excusing the GPU. Way too much noise. Please don't come here. Shot them a couple of times, then go on the left. Whatever. Whatever. I don't care. To see this amount of wattage, 28, 29 watts in the game like this is by far the best thing I can see for today. I'm not gonna lie, because now I want to go in wargaming and actually see how World of Tanks is working, because yeah, that's kind of cool. This is the best. 19 watts, 15 watts, 12 watts. Oh my god, this is so cool. No, cum ai nimerit, mă, cartofule? Come on, how many think gold digger? Think you can gold me? You can't gold me. I gold you. Holy shit, this food. I just realized. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. They all came here. Thank you, World of Tanks. Such a big disappointment with my skills in World of Tanks, and I decided to leave you because I'm too bad and I hate myself. But my God, how nice he's performing in with this video card. Seriously, I want 10 watts. I want it so bad. I want 9.7, 10 watts, under 10 watts. Please give me. I'll be the best ever. I'll try my best to upload every day. Please let me have this wattage. Please let me have this wattage. 9.5 watts.
You can't intimidate me.
Давай. Давай.
Headshot!
I was controlling myself.
I am the hell.
Wow, that's cool.
Mirage incoming! Just like old times.
Just like old times.
Great shot!
Oh, shit. No. Try to run away.
Keep talking.
Mirage incoming!
Shit.
Let's do it.
Holy shit, I'm having so much fun. Oh. I'm having so much fun and I died like a noob. Look at it. 9 watts. Clickbait I will put. Should I put 10 watts? 10 watts GPU. Okay, I'll put it 10 watts. Alright. 10 watts I will put it. I had 9.7, but averaging on 10 watts. Oh, satisfying. I've been satisfied by Paladins.